Part A is just the same as previous question, so we apply the formula because they give us the general form, so we can apply the formula to get the center and radius. So center, here is D. D is -10, while E, the coefficient of Y, is +2, and F, the constant term, is -10 here. So we have -10 divided by -2. The Y coordinate is +2 divided by -2. We get 5, -1. We get the center of the circle and also the radius is equal to square root x coordinate square, y coordinate square, and then minus f. 5 and -1, and also f here is -10. So we have 25, +1, +10, which is square root 36, and is 6. If we roughly draw the position, we know the center is 5, 1. That means from origin, go right by 5 steps, and then -1 means go down by 1 step. We have 5, -1 here. And then they say the radius is 6, so it's most probably like this. The distance from any point to the center is 6. And then they ask, is there one point which is 1, -7? Maybe here, maybe here, maybe here. We don't know the exact position because this graph is not in scale. But we have to determine, is that inside the circle or a line on the circle or outside the circle. So there is one method to test, is test the distance between the point A, let's say if it is here, and also the center, point C, will let it be point C. We can use the distance formula to find out AC, and then we compare with the distance 6 here. If it is longer than the radius, that means it's far further away from the circle, so of course it's lying outside. If AC is smaller than 6, then we know that it should be some point inside, it should not beyond the circle. So now we are finding AC is equal to the distance formula that we learned before. We have the delta x squared plus the delta y squared. Between x coordinates. So from 1 to 5, the distance is 5 minus 1. And then delta y refer to the change or the difference in y coordinates. One of them, the height is -1, another is -7. So the difference between them is -1 minus another one, -7. So just handle it very carefully. We have 4 square and then we have 6 square here. 4 refer to this distance, while 6 refer to the vertical distance here. And then by Pythagoras theorem, a square plus b square, square root, we get c. That means the direct distance, which is square root 52, and then we use calculator. It's around 7.2 something, which is larger than 6. So that means the distance from here to here, the distance is 7.21, which is longer than the radius 6 here. So it's lying outside the circle.